Hey, this is Dan, the storm door guy, and a lot of questions I get stem around what kind of storm door should I get? Which one do you think is the best? Well, today I'm going to show you the one that I think is the best. This is the Larson Secure Elegance. It's a security / storm door. You've got dual panes of glass with a plastic laminate in between. You've got a 3-point locking system. When you pull up on the door handle here, 2 hooks come out of the door frame and lock into the frame of your entry door. So the reason I like this glass is it's pretty much impenetrable. This right here is a 3-pound mini sledgehammer. I'm going to throw this at the glass and just let's see what happens. Pretty incredible. 3-pound mini sledgehammer from a distance of about 10 or 15 feet. It hit the glass, didn't shatter, didn't come out of the door. And actually, it only cracked the first pane of glass on the outside. The inside of the glass is completely intact. This is a very, very durable door. Again, it's the Larson Secure Elegance.